Good morning students. Today you are going to learn about the word problems in life mathematics. Chapter 4. Now let us see the first one. If the selling price of 10 rulers, the selling price of 10 rulers is the same as, both are equal, same as the cost price of 15 rulers. So you have to find the gain percentage. First you have to find the gain, after that gain percentage. So formula for the gain equal to selling price minus cost price. This one already you know this. SP minus CP. Okay, gain. So first you have to see, let us see the sum. 10 rulers, both are equal. Selling price of 10 rulers is same means that is equal the cost price of 15 rulers, that is given in the sum. Okay, selling price SP of 10 rulers equal to cost price of 15 rulers, both are equal, that is given in the sum. So first you have to find out the cost price of one ruler. We don't know the cost price of one ruler, so let be the CP of one ruler equal to X. Okay, one ruler, cost price of one ruler equal to X rupees. So rupees X. So cost price of 15 rulers, CP of 15 rulers equal to 15 into X, that is rupees 15X. Listen, again I am telling. So what is given in the sum? Selling SP of 10 ruler equal to CP of 15 rulers, that is given in the sum. They have to ask find the gain percentage. So before that you have to write the formula for the gain first. Gain equal to SP minus CP. So first you have to calculate this cost price of one ruler. So one ruler we don't know the value, so put that rupees X. Therefore cost price of 15 rulers equal to 15 into X, 15X. We finish the CP of 15 rulers. Okay, so cost price of 15 rulers equal to rupees 15X, that is cost price of one ruler equal to X. So cost price of 15 rulers, 15 into X, 15X. Now in the sum they are giving SP of 10 rulers equal to CP of 15 rulers, that is the value of 15 rulers. Now we can finish now 15 into X, both are equal. Therefore SP of 10 rulers equal to 15X. Therefore SP of 1 ruler equal to 15X divided by 10. Okay, now you just divide 15 by 10, that is 1.5. 15 divided by 10, that is after the cancelling, then answer is 1.5 into X. This is the SP of one ruler. Already we know that CP of one ruler equal to X, SP of one ruler equal to 1.5X. Now we have to find out the gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP. So now SP of one ruler equal to 1.5X minus CP of one ruler, already we finished, rupees X. So that is X. So 1.5X minus 1X, that is understood. Here there is not having any number, means that is understood 1X. So the answer is, you have to subtract this 2. The answer is 0.5X. Okay, gain equal to SP minus CP. Here in this sum, SP of one ruler minus CP of one ruler. SP of one ruler is already we finished 1.5X minus CP of one ruler, let us assume that one X. So 1X. 1.5X minus 1X. So the answer 0.5X. This is gain. So we want to find out the percentage, gain percentage. Gain percentage. So percentage of the gain formula is gain divided by CP into 100. Gain equal to 0.5x. So you want to find out the gain percentage. Formula of gain percentage equal to gain divided by CP, that is cost price, into 100. So here in this sum gain is already we finished 0.5x divided by CP of one ruler, that is x, into 100. So you just do the cancelling x and x, that is the balance 0.5 into 100. You have to multiply it. That answer is 50%. 0.5 into 100, that is 50%. So gain percentage. In this sum they are asking percentage of, find the percentage of gain. So gain percentage equal to 50. That is the final answer. Is it clear? Now let us see the second one. By selling a speaker for rupees 768, a man loses 20%. So that is SP of the speaker 768 means that is loss 20%. In order to gain, okay, instead of loss, that is gain 20% means that is how much should he sell the speaker. So first you have to find out that the first case, that is selling price of a speaker, that is given SP of a speaker, that is equal to rupees 768. That is in that case loss only. So the loss percentage equal to 20%. Okay, that amount is 700 and selling price of a speaker 768, loss equal to 20%. So this is SP. So you have to find out the CP by using the formula. You can use the formula for finding CP instead of loss. Okay, so the formula is 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, that is given loss percentage into SP. This is the formula. By using this formula you have to apply the value and then find out the CP. So that is CP of the speaker equal to 100 divided by 100 minus, here the loss percentage is 20% into SP is given here 768. In this next step, 100 divided by 80 into 768. You have to do the cancelling here and then cancel then 8 and 768. That answer is 960 rupees. 960. This is cost price of a speaker. Okay, again I am telling, listen, first given in this first case the selling price is given and then loss is given. So you have to find out the cost price by using the formula. Instead of loss, that the formula is 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So 100 by 100 minus, here the 20% is the loss, 20 into SP is here 768. So by you do the cancelling, the answer is rupees 960. Now we have to find out the second case that is given. In order to gain 20%, so how much should he sell the speaker? You have to find out the selling price of the speaker. Now already we finished, no, then CP of the speaker equal to rupees 960, gain equal to 20%. So you have to find out the selling price of a speaker by using the formula, finding the SP, that is in order gain is 20%, gain given means that formula is 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. CP is here 960. So 100 plus gain percentage here 20 divided by 100 into 960. CP, cost price of a speaker. So now 100 plus 20, 120 divided by 100 into 960. You have to do the cancelling. So after cancelling, 12 into 96. Okay, you can just cancel the two zeros. 12 into 96. So you have to multiply this two number. You will get 1152 rupees. This is the selling price SP of the speaker. That is 1152 rupees. Is it clear, students?